oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you 5 amazing Christmas gifts that are perfect for anyone on your list, and you can buy all of them online.
I want to give a special thank you to Rakuten for sponsoring this portion of the video.
You guys know I never do sponsored posts ever. I do not like them, but I saw some of my favorite YouTubers talking about Rakuten and I had never heard of it, so I checked it out. You guys, it's free money for shopping online. You get cash back from all of your favorite retailers, so I really wanted to share it with you guys. I'm like, why have I not been doing this? I'm an online shopper and this allows me to still do that, but make some money back. So I had to tell you about it. I'll put the link down below, and everything that I purchased for this video, I used Rakuten, even the Dollar Tree.
So make sure you check out the link below, and thanks again to Rakuten for sponsoring this portion of the video, and on to the gifts.
I love giving homemade gifts to grandparents and great-grandparents, and we have a lot of them. So not only does it save you money, but it's adorable too. And I know that they appreciate the thought put behind it. So I went on dollartree.com online and I found these really cute signs, but I painted the back. I painted the back using chalk paint. I distressed it a little bit just with some dollar store paint. And then I added the words "grandkids make life grand." I definitely followed with black paint in the line so it looks like it's a palette board. And then using Dollar Tree mini clothespins, I just printed off pictures of all of the grandkids and attached them, all of their grandkids together. It's so freaking cute, so inexpensive, and I made it in just 15 minutes. Let's talk about the perfect gift for the girls in your life. Your best friend, your mom, your sister. Really high quality, amazing products, but for a great price. I love face masks. These are the highest rated face masks that you can find. They have like the best ratings ever, and both of these are under $10 each. You can make a really inexpensive spa basket for the girl in your life. I definitely recommend adding these products, and then go ahead and add some inexpensive pajamas. I went online on Joe Fresh, and their pajamas are $7 for the tops and $7 for the bottom. I'm obsessed with this hair wrap. It dries your hair so much faster, and again, it's under $10. Add this together in a Dollar Tree basket and you have a really amazing spa relaxation package for a great price. But it's filled with like good stuff, like really high quality products that she is going to love. Now let's talk about the perfect gift for that tween teenager. This is so perfect. My kids, all 3 of them, have asked for this because they love TikTok. Famous TikTokers, if that's a word, use these LED strip lights around their ceiling in their rooms when they're making their TikTok videos, and my kids are like, we need these to make our room super cool. My kids went bananas when they saw them, and they all asked for these, and they're a great price, and I think the perfect gift for those hard to shop for tweens and teenagers. Here's another great gift for that teenager in your life or that hard to shop for tween. It's a mini projector that you can attach to any device to make your room a movie theater. This was such a find. I actually took it out of the box and played with it. It's so tiny. I love that it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's perfect for bringing out for family movie nights or to turn your teenager's room into a movie theater. They will love this. You guys, how adorable are these personalized little mugs from the Dollar Tree? These are for the teacher gifts. I'm obsessed with them. I've definitely made these Dollar Tree mugs in the past, but I think it's elevated with the cute hat. So simple to make these. Simply grab a Dollar Tree mug and use a Sharpie or a paint pen and personalize the name on the bottom. You can just hand draw this, but add a little dot on all of the points so it looks so profesh. Little dots for the mouth. You do not have to be artistic. 2 dots for the eyes and a carrot nose. You want to bake these in the oven when you're done at 200 for 20 minutes. Let them cool, and now they're washable, so it's totally a functional gift. I filled mine with Dollar Tree candy, a gift card to Starbucks, and I topped it with a Dollar Tree mitten. I tied off the top, cut off the fingers, and it looks like an adorable little hat. Also, my kids aren't going to dump the entire contents on the bus. It's all contained in a sweet, personalized little gift that any teacher would love. Now for the men in your life. Seriously, every single man in my life, whether it's friends or my dad, my stepdad, my father-in-law, my brother, my husband, they all love turning off lights with their voice. You know, turn off the lights when you leave a room. Is that a man thing? Maybe. It is definitely when it comes to my life. So I love these little Echo Dots from Amazon. Right now they're on sale for $30. The speaker quality is amazing. So yes, it plays music, it does all the cool things, but you can add a little Amazon plug. They're on sale for $10 and control your lights or whatever it is that people want to shut off with their voice. This is such a cool gift. It's super tech for an amazing price. You cannot go wrong. Everyone on your list would love one or both of these. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've got some ideas for those hard to shop for people on your list. I'm going to put a link down below to all of the products that I showed you today, and happy shopping. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Why is it, and I know I'm not alone, I think it's like the universe, karma, it's something. Why is it that anytime I actually do leave the house and I don't brush my hair or put on makeup or actually look even remotely nice in any way, that's when I see everyone I know. You know, I go to the grocery store all the time and I'm like, oh man, I better put my hair, you know, at least a messy bun, at least attempt, maybe, you know, brush my teeth or whatever. And those are the times I see no one. And the times where I rush out because I'm like, whoa, and I'm covered in paint because I've just done a DIY project, my hair's all sticking up, like yesterday, that's when I see people that I hardly know or people who watch me on YouTube and they want to have a chat. Yesterday, a lovely woman asked for my picture. I had not brushed my hair or teeth or showered. I was a disgusting grease ball. I had a breakout all over my face. I was wearing PJ pants and she wanted a picture. Yay! And I did it. And I'm like, why? Why is this? You know, it's when you don't clean your house. It's like I always clean my house, but the time where I'm just like, oh, I don't, you know, what's one day? That's when unexpected company comes over. Of course it is, because of course it is. So anyways, I hope I'm not alone. Tell me if this happens to you. If like the one day you really just look your absolute worst, that's when you're going to see all the people when you leave the house. Or the one time your house is like super disgusting and it smells like fish because you cooked fish and scallops and shrimp and didn't clean it up. That's when your mother-in-law visits the next morning unexpectedly. And you still got the dirty dishes everywhere. And your house smells like a Red Lobster. I wish I was making this up. I'll see you guys next time.